Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Patty, and if you're a first timer here, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for sticking around for a couple minutes and letting me introduce myself. And if you're visiting again, because I'm either in your recommends or because you're a friend of mine and a subscriber, I want to say hi. Thanks for stopping back. Thanks for visiting. It's late again and we're recording our second video, so if you recognize the outfit, the hair, the makeup, yeah, I'm batching again. This seems to be the only way that I can do multiple videos in a week. So, but that's okay, because it means I get to play with my makeup and I get to show you what I purchased, and it's no way bragging. I'm a bit of a makeup hoarder and a brush hoarder and a thrifter, and yeah, you get the picture. I've got a lot of stuff in my house. I need to start selling some of it. Oh, but anywho, we are here tonight to talk about the ColourPop Mystery Box, and I know all of y'all have probably seen the other creators that have purchased this box. It really seems like they didn't do very many varieties of this box, because everything I've seen is pretty much everything I've gotten in this box. So we're going to do this super quick, or we're going to try to. I wrote down all of the products, and I wrote down how much they were going for on the website at the time that this mystery box came up. I believe the mystery box was $49, and it was supposed to have a $122 value. So, worth over $121. And I think it added up to $122 for the ColourPop Mystery Box for summer 2023. I wanted to take a really cute picture for my thumbnail, and they sent the box, they sent the mystery in a white box. I'm just coloring out my address, which I should have done already. Shh, no judge. Okay, so this is how it arrived. Just in a white box, not in the pretty ColourPop boxes that we're used to. So, we'll see if I manage to find a picture of an old one and work that into a thumbnail. But the items came very well packaged, I must admit. And we know packaging because we have an eBay business. So all of the packaging gets reused, which is good. It's good for the environment. Try to recycle. Okay, so the first thing that I'm noticing in the box, which was a bit of a disappointment, but I purchased them from the Dollar Tree for photos, so why not just get them included in the box? And this, I dropped my paper. Seriously? I dropped it. 1 second. I dropped a lot of things. This, oh my, I'd show you, but my room is a mess. It's terrible. Okay, first thing out of the box are the face crystals. Very pretty, very blingy. Should have put on a couple for my last video because I did a review of the blinged brushes mystery box. So, but these are lovely. I don't think that they're worth $8 though, honestly, because I can buy crystals similar to this at the Dollar Tree for about $1.25. Not knocking them though. It's one of their products. I'm sure it goes over well. And they do have wonderful sales throughout the year, so it all adds up. Okay, the next thing in the box are the falsies. The falsies lashes. They look like this. I might try them. You'll probably never see me put them on video because it's very funny watching me try and put lashes on these little itty bitty eyes. The only reason I'm wearing lashes tonight is because I found water activated ones at the Dollar Tree by another brand, and I decided to try them out. So I'll let you know. Okay, the next thing, this came with a lot of lipsticks, a lot of lippies, whatever they're calling them. We have this is the Fresh Kiss Glossy Lip Stain, and this is in the color Sugar Snap, and it's a lovely color. That's one thing. The colors are very complimentary that they sent. Screw it. Sorry. Can never get the boxes open. This is what it looks like. I actually have a lot of lip glosses, liquid lip stains in these colors because I tend to stick with nudes, naturals, browns, all that jazz. So that is a $9 item. We have the Luxe Velvet in the color Just Imagine, and I'm assuming that this is just a regular lipstick. No, it looks like it's a liquid lipstick as well. Those aren't far off, but it's got a nice applicator. It'll get the job done. And I do like their Luxe Velvets. They wear very well. So okay, the next is a So Glassy lip gloss. This is a $9 item, and the color, I can't read that color. Did I write it down? I did not even write it down because I probably couldn't read it then either. It looks like Newport. Sorry for the glare off the glasses. Okay, the color is Newport, and that's they're remarkably similar in color. So, you know what? If I don't need this many of the same color, Christmas is coming. So we have presents. Alright, this is a Luxe Velvet in the color Dance Off, which is that color. And this is a very, looks, from the color of the box, it looks like a very pale nude. Oh, it's a very mauve-y nude. Definitely cool tone. Not sure if I could wear this color, honestly, because I have more warm tones under my skin. I tend to stick with warm tones. Okay, we have one more Luxe Velvet in the color Honey Pie. And this looks like it's more of a red. And I don't normally wear reds. I'm just starting to appreciate the color. And this is just a tad, okay, it's definitely more pink than brown. So, but they are remarkably similarly toned. But that's okay. Alright, the next thing, now all those, the Luxe Velvets run about $10, $11 each. The Glossy Lip Gloss is a $9 item. This is a ColourPop BFF Cream Gel Liner. And this is a $7 product. And the color is Wildcat. So I'm assuming that this came from their High School Musical collaboration. And this looks very much like a gold. Whew. Yes, I can definitely see myself wearing that. Or at least trying it on. Okay. Next is a ColourPop BFF liquid liner. And this is a $9 item. In the color Make Love. And it's spelled L-U-V. Okay. And that's yellow. Or gold. I'm seeing yellow, which I'm fine with. I can definitely play with this. I love the color yellow. Yellow and orange are two of my favorite colors. And green. So, but I like purple too. Just call me Rainbow Bright. Although when I was a kid, my nickname was Patio Green, because she had a friend with green hair. This is a Soul Body blending sponge. And this is a $7 item. I don't have any body. Well, I probably do. I'd have to look. I don't have any Soul Body items that would require a sponge. Maybe we'll try and bake with this. I don't know. I don't bake. I don't really bake at all. But it's neat. It's neat. And this is a $7 item. I think I have a Soul Body bath bomb upstairs from my last mystery box. I haven't used it yet. I need a big bathtub. Okay. Last thing in this box. This is packing for my next sale. Is this lovely Play It Jewel palette. And it's a pressed powder palette. It's a lot of P's. And I think everybody got it. Everybody that I've watched, including Brenda, who does not normally buy ColourPop items, she bought the mystery box. I twisted her arm, and this is what she looks like. So neutrals, pops of purple and green and blue and other side, yellows rather, and oranges. So I am very happy with this. Not quite a rainbow palette. It actually looks like there's some, that looks like a multi-chrome or dual chrome in fractal. I don't like sticking my fingers in the palettes. I've been playing with makeup and with oil, facial oil, primers, so we're going to keep our fingers out tonight. But this is the large palette. I think I was expecting something different. I think I was expecting like 4-pan palettes that I've seen in the past. Not as much lip. I mean, we received the palette. We received 5 lip products, a liquid liner, a gel liner, a sponge, false eyelashes, and some stickers. And I added this up, and it came to $122. So they weren't lying. So for the Secret Stash Summer Mystery ColourPop box, it was $49, and it was worth $122. So if you received the box, purchased the box, and you got the same thing, let me know in the comments below. I'd appreciate it if you could leave me a like, if you'd subscribe. Even if you don't like it, give me a thumbs down. Every little bit helps. And I truly appreciate you stopping by and joining me this evening. I hope to see you again soon. Stay safe and have a great week. Have a great weekend. And go see the Barbie movie. I am. Bye.